Have you ever wondered what our track and field athletes looked like when they were growing up? Well, in this another video by JamFit, we're going to be looking at some of our popular athletes and what they looked like growing up. Any idea who this might be? Well, you probably guessed it. It's the legend Usain Bolt himself. This is a picture of no other than Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. I think we could say that she has changed a bit, but you can still see the resemblance of this picture and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Now, it's very difficult to find athletes' pictures when they were young, but this is no other than Merlin Joyce Utti. This was a teenage Merlin Utti. Now, he hasn't changed much, but it's fair to say that this is Asafa Powell, the former world record holder, and the smile and the teeth are just about the same. Now, here we have a young Veronica Campbell-Brown. This is Veronica Campbell-Brown in her teenage years, looking just as we know her to be Veronica Campbell-Brown. Now, for some reason, I didn't recognize this one immediately, but I think if you look at her carefully, then you can see that it is definitely the world's fastest woman, Elaine Thompson. Elaine Thompson here, looking a little bit different with her natural hair. Not sure you can recognize this one, but it is actually a young Natalia Gold. Natalia Gold is the Jamaican 800-meter champion. And then here we have a young Janelle Bloomfield. So Janelle looking quite different here without her hair. And here we have an athlete when she was in the 5th grade. It's actually Brianna Williams. Brianna Williams, the 4x1 Olympic gold medalist here in the 5th grade. So how many did you recognize? How many have changed? Let me know in the comment section. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to JamFit, celebrating the Jamaican culture abroad and abroad.